In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. It is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first you're gonna know you can hide your photos on Instagram instead of deleting them. So to hide photo on Instagram, once you are on your profile page, you can tap right there on your post, tap on three dots icon and there select archive. So now that photo was get off my Instagram feed and nobody is able to see this photo anymore. But this photo was not deleted, it's saved to your archive. To go to archive, tap on three lines icon, tap on archive, and now here you see that post and all the post that was archived. You can keep post on archive as long as you want. The posts are not deleted automatically, so you can keep there some kind of private posts, or also you can keep the stories and lives, and in any time you want you can tap there on post, tap on three lines, and now you can delete or show on profile. Show on profile means unarchive, and you can select any of that option in any time you want. So that's how it works. Make sure you like this video if this information was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.